Hi, my name is Leah Kaplan, and I'm a therapist in Boulder, Colorado. I recently took Stephanie Small's Mental Health Nutrition Foundations class. I found it incredibly helpful and wanted to say a few words about it. Being a local practitioner, I pride myself on having a holistic approach. I like to look at the emotional components that might be impacting someone, but then also really like to talk about lifestyle choices, nutrition, exercise, sleep, all the important parts that lead into someone's happiness and well-being. So I had a natural interest in this course going into it. But this class not only met my expectations, but exceeded them in the amount of really important knowledge that I learned that I can now incorporate in my practice. I learned a lot about the basics of nutrition, how things affect us in ways both positively and negatively. I learned a lot about blood sugar regulation, which is such an easy fix that we can work on with our clients, and I didn't even have an idea of what that really meant. Also, we learned a lot about the gut biome and gut health, and some important things that we can do to really strengthen that and what impact that will have on people's mental health. And the last section that we covered, which was probably my favorite, was about mental health supplements and some really easy basic supplements that can really help people manage anxiety and depression that allow us to really do deeper work as clinicians. I would highly recommend this class. Stephanie Small is such an amazing teacher. She has such an easygoing conversational approach while also really packing the course with a lot of really important knowledge. I hope that you take this class and learn as much as I did. Thanks so much.